Hi guys, my name's Eddie with Uniform Bright. I'm an expert witness and an expert consultant in the uniform rental industry. Price increases with Cintas, or Cintas price increases. I'm sure you know by now, if you're looking at this video, you're interested because of the title. You are tired of Cintas just increasing the prices as will. And it's in the contract. I'm sure you know that they can increase their prices whenever they want. In my opinion, it's an unconscionable contract. It's not a fair business practice, but what can you do? It's there, right? You signed it and we got to deal with it. But you know what? There is a way you can stop and prevent them from increasing the prices. Now, there is a way outlined in the contract, but you might think that there's just too much involved. I don't have the time to do it, but there's a way you can automate it. And it's a simple way. I guess I might be able to copyright it. I'm not sure. But there's a way you can do it, put it on autopilot to where they're never again be able to increase your prices above and beyond the 5% or whatever the annual price increase, which is in your contract. So don't let Cintas get away with it. There's ways to do it. Call me. I handle other things. I negotiate contracts. I cancel contracts. I write legal letters. So call me. Send me a copy of your agreement and a copy of the invoice. My information is below in the information below. So call me and we'll talk.